Hello and welcome to this week's C3 video. Now today I'm going to be doing a video inspired by Jack Sucks at Life, where you see if you are connected to any other YouTubers. So I have a spin the wheel here and I'm just going to spin it. Sorry about my phone. Dude Perfect. Oh, who's Dude Perfect, man? I think Dude Perfect's met Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast. Dude Perfect. Mr. Beast. Also, I just want to say sorry for the lighting. I'm in a new room now and I just need to get some lights. Has Dude Perfect and Ryan Trahan met? Right, so it looks like we're going to have to skip this one because I can't find anyone that have met Dude Perfect. So let's skip them. Jack Sucks at Life. This one's going to be easy. So I've met Theme Park Worldwide. Theme Park Worldwide has met Jack Sucks at Life. There we go. Right, next person. Right, this one. I feel like because I've only ever met Theme Park Worldwide has to come in between everyone. So I've met Theme Park Worldwide. Theme Park Worldwide's met Jack Sucks at Life. Jack Sucks at Life's met KSI. Right, so we've done I'll just do a dot. So we've done Jack Sucks at Life. We've done KSI. And is that it? Yeah. Easy. I've met Theme Park Worldwide. Next person. Theme Park Worldwide again. Skip the tutorial. Who's that? Skip the tutorial. Copyright. This is the American.
This.
So it doesn't look like they've met. So we're going to have to skip them because I don't know anyone else that would have met them. Right, so we can't do Dude Perfect or skip the tutorial. Right, next. Oh, excuse me, the odd one's out. The odd one's out, and so Beast. But has Mr. Beast and Ryan Trahan met? Because then we can just add them to our list. Yep. So he can be added to our list because it's going to be a boring video if not. Oh, it's not capitalized. Okay, so the odd one's out. I haven't seen them with any obvious YouTubers. So, okay, we're on to camera audio, which is lovely. My microphone just cut out. KSI we've already done. Technical difficulties, gotta love Even CapCut stopped recorded. Right, well, we're back with Blue Yeti. Oh, we don't have any screen either. Oh, no. Report. Oh, it'll just finish off. 3, 2, 1. That's just to make sure that they're all linked. They're all linked. Sorry, I can't talk today. Right. W2S. Now I've met Theme Park Worldwide. Theme Park Worldwide's met Jack Sucks at Life. Jack Sucks at Life met the Sidemen. W2S is in the Sidemen. So at the end of this, I want to see my link to all of these YouTubers. So if I am, we'll do some celebrities. W2S. This random YouTuber likes W2S. Oh, excuse me. This is taking a minute. Ryan Trahan. Now, I've met Theme Park Worldwide. Theme Park Worldwide's met Jack Sucks at Life. Jack Sucks at Life's met KSI. KSI's met Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast's met Ryan Trahan. Right, so we've literally got Will and E left. Oh, and Mr. Beast. I'm gonna be hypnotised by this. By the end of this, I'm gonna be like this. Will and E. Excuse me. Wait, is Will and E in the Sidemen? What illness does he have? Oh, I didn't realise that. Hey, anyway, Will and E is part of the Sidemen. I think. Even if he isn't, we'll use W2S. Is W2S Will and E? Who is W2S? Okay, right. So I've met Theme Park Worldwide. Theme Park Worldwide's met Jack Sucks at Life. Jack Sucks at Life's met W2S. W2S have met Will and E. So now we've just got Mr. Beast left. So we'll just do it without spinning this wheel. Now I think we'll end off there. But so I've met Theme Park Worldwide. Theme Park Worldwide's met Jack Sucks at Life. Jack Sucks at Life's met KSI. And KSI's met Mr. Beast. So it turns out I'm linked to all these YouTubers on screen right now. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks to Jack Sucks at Life for the idea. But yeah, if you like our content, you could consider subscribing. And if you like this video, you could consider clicking the like button. Our Facebook can be found here, and our X can be found here. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!